guys, welcome to this training, and in this short training video I'll be showing you guys how to be able to access your digital products after you have purchased them on Seller store. I know a lot of people are not new to Seller and buying things from Seller, and this is your first time. So as my own way of sharing you a Christmas gift, this is how you can be able to access your digital products. So let's get down to the main fact. First of all, you have to have Google Chrome on your app. I know all of us all have that. So go to your Google Chrome. When you go to your Google Chrome, click on seller.co. Okay, click on seller.co. Let's go seller.co. So when you go there, you log in. If you don't have an account, you just click on register and you register. Let me show you where you go and register. If you don't have an account on Seller, this is the place you click to register. Click on this register here to register. But as we all know, we're not talking about that. All we want to do is access our digital product. So we look at when you log in. Now you have to go. When you log in, Seller is like this. You can choose to be a creator, an affiliate, or a customer. So just look at this symbol here. Just look at this symbol at the top of my screen. Just look at this symbol here, which simply states I'm on creator profile because I already create digital products on my Seller store. So once you just click on this creator profile, as you can see, it shows you the three things you can be able to do on Seller. You can be a creator, an affiliate, and a customer. So what you just do is switch to customer profile. Once you switch to customer profile, click on it. I'm sorry. So switch to customer profile, and immediately it loads. This is how it's going to be like. So this is it. As you can see, this is all the products you've bought on Seller. That's what it means by customer profile. It simply states all the products, everything you've bought, all the things you've been able to pay, whether it's an ebook or a video digital product on Seller store. So what you just do is click on it. Click on any of the products you've paid for or any of the products you've purchased before. When you click on it, look at this place. You see this icon, access the course. So that is where you click to gain access. Click on it, and it takes you directly to your training. As you can see, this is for a video course. Let me just explain it.
Welcome to the first part of the WhatsApp autopilot sales course.
Okay, this is for a video course. So let me just quickly do the one for an ebook. So let me switch to my other profile. Okay, log in with Google. Okay, this is another of my Seller store. So I once created. So this is how you can be able to access. If it's an ebook, the same way it works for digital product is this. Let me just click on this. This is an ebook. When you just click on it, click on read online. If it's for a video product, it's going to show you access the course like it states in the other one. Let me just go back and show you what video product we talk about. If it's for a video product, it's going to show you access the course. This is going to show you this icon, access this course, if it's for a video product. But if it's for a digital an ebook, it's going to show you read online like this. It's going to show you like this, read online. This icon is going to show beneath it. This icon, read online. So that is how you just do. When you just click on that read online, it takes you directly to the ebook, so you can be able to access your ebook and stuff like that. So thank you and God bless you. It's kind of loading. Like you see it. Now this is it. It has loaded. So that is how you get to read ebooks that you've purchased on the Seller platform. Do well to click the subscribe button for more educative videos like this. Thank you.